Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you just saw my intro. I do all things beauty, lifestyle, fashion, vlogs, all sorts of things. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. So today is super exciting, as you saw from the title, Stitch Fix review. Yeah, this is a good one. I have to give Michelle, my stylist, definitely a thumbs up, and she does an awesome job. If you guys are looking at getting into Stitch Fix, I would definitely and highly recommend you ask for Michelle as your stylist. I think she listens to me. She looks like my Pinterest. If I write her a request, she tries to get it for me. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get started with my Stitch Fix. I have already unboxed everything. I've tried everything on. I'll be trying everything on right here next to me, so don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of all the items. You know, I could have a skewed sense of what looks good on me. Obviously, that happens, so let me know for sure. If you guys are interested in Stitch Fix, I will leave a link below. It is a referral link, and I will also, if I can find the items, I will link everything below. I'll put all the pricing below and everything. If I can't find the item, I'll try and find something similar if you guys are not in Stitch Fix or can't request it from your stylist. So let me quick read her note. Hi Vivian, I'm so happy to style you again for fix number 24. I really enjoyed watching your last unboxing video and agree that those jeans are a great fit. I will link my prior video so you guys know what I'm talking about. This time I'm sending some athleisure styles. It's almost like she read my mind. I didn't really put anything in the request box for the month. I thought I'm just going to let her go for it and send me whatever she thinks. But in my mind, I'm thinking I kind of want something comfy. I kind of want something I can maybe go to the gym in or wear to the gym. So it's almost like she's reading my mind. We all need comfortable clothes for lounging on the weekends. First, I'm sending the Beyond Yoga leggings. Try them with the Marc performance top, which you pinned, and layer on the MPG jacket. Add your favorite sneakers, a ponytail, and baseball cap for a look that can go from gym to running errands to movies at home. I'm also sending a style that's a little outside your norm, the B Collection by Bobeau floral funneled neck top. Try it with a cut distressed boyfriend jeans and flats for a casual boho style. I can't wait to hear what you think. XO Michelle. Okay, the first thing I got are these jeans, and when I first saw them I thought, oh, I don't need another pair of distressed jeans. But then I tried them on, and then I looked at my stash of jeans that I have right here, and I don't really have anything this color and this style. These are the cut from the cloth Kate distressed boyfriend jeans. Now granted, boyfriend jeans in my opinion are supposed to be a little more loosey-goosey. These aren't really loose. They're not super tight, but they're not loose fitting, so keep that in mind. They do unroll, and they're not like a tighter around your ankle, so maybe that's part of too why it's more of a boyfriend fit. But I really like these. I think they look good. I think they're a good fit. I love the color. I like the distressing. It's not too much, but yet enough where it's just kind of a fun pair of jeans to throw on the weekends. Definitely can wear it with pretty much anything. So I'm really leaning towards keeping these. Again, I will put at the end of each video exactly what I decided to keep and what I paid, so you guys know what it is that I kept after going through all the spiel. You at least know what I ended up keeping and what I paid for it. So okay, the next thing I got is this coat or jacket. This is the MPG Sport Rose Knit Sleeve Athleisure Jacket in black in a size medium. This jacket is $88, and it's got kind of like a knit sleeve, but then we've got kind of more like the nylon actual jacket. And inside, that's what it looks like. It's got a hoodie that's not detachable. And there's the back. It's got pockets. I think it'd be perfect to throw on over my gym outfit, wear it to the gym. I think it's awesome. I think it'd be great to throw on the weekends if it's raining. I think you could even wear this to the office. I really think it can kind of go from casual to a little bit more like business casual. So I don't have a problem with that. I think it'd be a perfect addition to my wardrobe. It's not super heavy and it's not super lightweight, so I think it's just perfect for me for this time of year coming on to spring. It fits well. I don't know, what do you guys think about this? I think it's super cute, and I think I would get a lot of use out of it. Okay, the next item are the Beyond Yoga Harlow printed high-rise capri performance legging in pink in a size medium, and these are $86. When I first saw these, I'm like, there's no way I'm paying $86 for a pair of yoga pants. Here they are right here, but once I touched them and once I put them on, I was like, okay, I know why they're $86. Here's the back. They are a super high-rise, just like form-fitting yoga pant, but not uncomfortable. They are super comfortable. They feel very, very soft. And they're like cool, like heathered type print. And they fit perfectly. They just snug everything in. They're so soft, they're like butter. Honestly, these are like a really, really nice pair of yoga pants. I think these are gonna last for a really, really long time. So again, I'm leaning towards keeping these as well. Let me know what you guys think of the try-on here next to me, but I think I get a ton of use out of these, and I think they're gonna like last a long time. So I think they're kind of worth the price, especially with the fact that they're so high rise. I hate it when I put on a pair of yoga pants, especially if I'm going to the gym, and you kind of have that like a little bit of the belly fat that just kind of like rests on top there. You do not have that issue with these. They are very, very high rise, but again, comfortable. Okay, the next item I'm in love with. This is the Andrew Marc Performance Quarry Cutout Detail Knit Top in dark gray in a size medium. And this one is $44. So the price is about right. This is not a sweatshirt though. This is a knit material, like a t-shirt material, super soft. And here is the t-shirt. It says love on the front, and it's kind of like a heavier, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like a heavier block, a little bit, you know, like a puffy lettering, not super puffy, but just a little bit puffy. On the lettering, it's got some really cool cutouts right here, but nothing too overdone. I would say it kind of looks like a long sleeve, but it's a little bit longer than like a 3/4 sleeve. It's not quite a full sleeve in my opinion. And I mean, I have pretty short arms, so this would probably be on any like normal person, probably a 3/4 sleeve type long sleeve t-shirt. I do like the gathering down here. You could still tuck it in. I think it looks really, really cute with those yoga pants just for hanging out in or running errands. Put on some tennis shoes, just like she said, a little baseball cap. I think it'd be a really cute outfit, and I think the price is right. So, and just super ultra soft materials. Okay, and the last top, which is the one that I was kind of like, not loving, but looked cute when I tried it on. This is the B Collection by Bobeau Kamden Bottleneck Knit Top in Blush in a size medium. And it's right here. This is a true 3/4 sleeve. Super, again, super soft. I don't wear this type of neck too often, but I think it looks cute. I like the tie. It's just like a simple tie. You could, I just left it hanging, but you could try it into a bow, you know, make this a little tighter. There's a few different options you can do with it. It does have an unfinished hem, which is actually one of the things I do like about it. So that makes it a little different, a little unique, a little more, you know, modern, trendy. But again, you know, I don't wear a lot of pink. I have a few items that are pink, but not a lot. I did show this to my husband. He thought it was cute. And again, I'm trying it on with the cut from the cloth, like distressed jeans, and I think it looks kind of cute. I think it'd be just perfect for like a Saturday afternoon running some errands, you know, in the spring, and where it's, you know, not quite summer yet and you need something a little bit heavier. When you do the math with Stitch Fix, if you keep 5 items, you get 25% off. So it would just make sense if I do decide to keep the other items that I would keep this. So it just makes sense. You actually end up paying more if you return this than keeping all the items. So the subtotal for my fix was $360. The buy 5 discount is $90. And then what I decided to do is I decided to do the $49 styling fix for the year. So you pay $49 and you're done for the year. You don't have to pay the $20 a month. And that is something that I think that I don't know if they've offered to everyone or what, but I got an email offering it to me like 2 months ago. And finally I decided to just go ahead and do it because I'm like, well, if I'm paying 20 bucks a month, you know, and they decided too that they were going to apply it as a credit. So it's kind of like a no-brainer. I'm like, yeah, I'll just pay the $49, and if I buy anything, it's just going to get credited towards my Fix. So that's exactly what happened, and now I don't have my $20 a month fee. Again, I don't know if that's something that's just temporary or it was just a quick promo that they were offering for the beginning of the year just to try to get subscribers. I'm not sure, but I went ahead and took advantage of it. So my subtotal was $360 minus the discount and the credit. I would be at $221 if I kept everything in the box, which I think is a great deal. I am leaning towards keeping everything, but again, I will let you know at the end of the video what I decided to keep and what I paid for each item. So anyway, I think she did a good job. I'm going to give this one a thumbs up. If you guys like it too, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks guys. Bye.